Hi, it's another beautiful day in Orange County, Southern California. I'm in the city of Rancho Santa Margarita. This is December 23rd. Look at this beautiful weather. We got palm trees here, great sun, sky blue, no clouds. This guy here is a Corbutaria, Chinese flame tree, or rain tree. Over here is our calorie pears. They're kind of ending their cycle. Beautiful fall colors. I want to show you this plant over here. All right. This is a hibiscus. It's a shrub. It's called a Gwen Mary Hibiscus. It's a variety of hibiscus called Hibiscus rosa-sinensis. And there's several hundred different species of hibiscus. From hybridizing, lots of cultivars. We get a variety of different colors, from cool blue to vibrant red. These guys here are very pinkish, kind of purpley. And most people are familiar with the 5-petal flat hibiscus flowers, like a bluebird, cranberry crush, or galaxy. But ours here is kind of like a ruffled, crumpled up paper mache, or even like a crepe. These beautiful green leaves. Wow. All right, so I mentioned our Gwen Mary here. It's Hibiscus rosa-sinensis. And sinensis, it simply means something to do with China. So it's also called a Chinese hibiscus, a China rose, Hawaiian hibiscus, rose mallow, and a tropical hibiscus. But it really comes from the tropics of Vanuatu, which is about 1,000 miles northeast of Australia. So this plant is considered to be an Australian import. So our Gwen Mary here is described as being a strong, upright, bushy, perennial, evergreen shrub. Grows about 4 to 6 feet tall, about 5 feet wide. It's got green foliage with lobed leaves, vivid, deep pink flowers, like we have here. Loves the sun and is great at attracting wildlife. Let's take a closer look at the stems and the roots in the back here. All right, get back here, get a better look here. So it's really woody and thick down here. It's got a branched taproot, so that gives it good support, and also good from removing water and nutrients from the soil. Look how thick this is. This trunk and the branches. It's very erect. Okay, it's very cylindrical and branched. See all these branching going on down here. It's really thick and woody. So it's great to have all these leaves out here kind of hiding all the woodiness. Okay, well, we talk about it. Here are leaves. They're ovate shaped. They got a cute little tip on the end here. Little tip. Here's another one. Their tip here. Okay, they're very glossy. They're kind of lobed, indented with serrated margins here, you can see. And they alternate up the stem, so one here, one here, one here as they work themselves up the stem. And the leaves, they're really veiny. Let's see here. All right, get a closer look there. All right, they're veiny and they're very divergent veins, or branched out veins. The top, the bottom's a little bit lighter than the top. And the flowers, let's take a look at the flowers here. Get a good one. All right, here we go. There's a good flower here. All right, it's got this vivid, deep pink color. It's about 5 to 6 inches wide. They're all solitary on this plant here, you can see. And they're very symmetrical. And it's really 5 petals, all kind of crumpled up here, and crunched up, and ruffled, that you see. highly textured, and it's got a lot nicer, softer appearance than a lot of other hibiscus varieties we have. And the little pistils, stamen, anthers, you kind of see them all in here with the little yellow pollen tips. Kind of see that there? They all like to stick out of these hibiscus plants, real tall. Great at attracting pollinators. Okay, so these flowers, they only live to be like 1 day old, maybe 2 if you're lucky. There's always a bunch of little buds that are coming in right behind these flowers. So this guy here, he will die like this guy. Oh, and he fell off and be replaced by this guy. So during the season, we always have flowers on this little shrub. And a lot of the hibiscus, they kind of bloom from spring and summer. This guy blooms from summer all the way through winter. I mentioned today is December 23rd. We still have flowers on this little shrub. And the flowers here, they are edible. You could eat them, but really not for nutrition. They're really just a garnish on your salad. Look at these beautiful flowers, right? Okay, they're protected by these little bracts or sepals or tepals. I always forget what they're called. This guy coming in, super bright color on this great plant here. Okay, so if you want to grow this at home, okay, it prefers zones 9 to 11. It's great for any garden. Perfect for large pots, landscapes, screens, and hedges. You space them about 4 feet apart. Very easy to grow. They like full sun to get the best growth and the most flowers. Plenty of water. They don't like to sit in puddles, so you need good draining soil. So you just water the top of the soil. All right, when it gets dry down here, they don't like to sit in standing water. Use additional water in summer, and for fertilizer, use a well-balanced 20-20-20 slow release mixture. Now, to propagate this, our Gwen Mary, it doesn't provide any seeds. So to propagate it, you need to take cuttings, and you kind of go in here, you take basically a good, firm 8-inch cutting, and you strip it from all the leaves, and you kind of make a little V shape out of the bottom of our twig. You shave off the bark, you can soak it in water, and within 2 weeks, you'll get some nice growth. All right, this is our little beautiful hibiscus, Gwen Mary Hibiscus, Hibiscus rosa-sinensis, down in sunny Orange County, California. So, hope you like that video. Have a great day. Bye.